Hello and welcome to Stardust's classes. Today we are going to solve one question from reasoning ability. This is a question of sitting arrangement. This is an important topic in reasoning ability. We all know that reasoning is the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is most hardest portion also, as it has the most conceptual complexity in it. So you need to practice more and more to get good score in this topic. So let's get into the problem. Read the following information and carefully answer the questions. In a SARC meeting, 8 delegates A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H of different countries are sitting around a square table facing the center, not necessarily in the same order. Each one of them belongs to different countries like India, Maldives, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, and lastly Bhutan. So let's see. Suppose this is the square table, and we have 8 delegates. Now, first of all, F sits second to the right of the delegate of Sri Lanka. Suppose this is the delegate of Sri Lanka. Therefore, the position of F is this. Now, Bangladesh is an immediate neighbor of delegate of Sri Lanka. Therefore, Bangladesh position is this. Okay, two people sit between the delegate of Bangladesh and B. Therefore, we can write that B's position is this. We have two people in between Bangladesh and B. C and E are immediate neighbors of each other. C and E are immediate neighbors of each other. Neither C nor E is an immediate neighbor of either B or delegate of Sri Lanka. Okay, and it is true, we can see that from this picture. The delegate of Pakistan sits second to the right of D. The delegate of Pakistan, suppose the position of Pakistan is D, and therefore we can say that the position of D is this. Who is delegate of Maldives? D is the delegate of Maldives. Okay. Now G and the delegate of India are immediate neighbor of each other. G and delegate of India. We can say that if this is G and this is India, then the statement is true. They are immediate neighbor of each other. B is not the delegate of India. B is not the delegate of India. Only one person sits between C and D. And this is E. Okay. And H sits third to the left of delegate of Bhutan. If this is Bhutan, then H is third to the left. Okay. H sits third to the left of delegate of Bhutan. And if this is the position of Bhutan, then third to the left means this. That is, Sri Lanka is H. The delegate of Nepal sits second to the left of the delegate of Afghanistan. Therefore, we can say that this is Nepal and B is Afghanistan. Okay. And lastly, there is only one alphabet remaining, which is A, and this is Pakistan. So this is the required sitting arrangement. Now we go further to answer the questions. The first question is, which of the following is true with respect to the given sitting arrangement? E is an immediate neighbor of the delegate of India. Let's check. That is not true. E is the delegate of Maldives. This is also not true. The delegate of India is an immediate neighbor of F. This is also not true because F is the delegate of India. The delegate of Bhutan sits between F and delegate of Nepal. This is true. Shopkeeper sits second to the right of the teacher. This is a vague statement. Hence, we can say that the fourth statement is true, that the delegate of Bhutan sits between F and delegate of Nepal. Okay. Now let's see the other questions. Let's see the question number 97. H is the delegate of which country? H is the delegate of Sri Lanka. Therefore, 3 is true for 97. Now let's check the 98th question. What is the position of delegate of Afghanistan with respect to delegate of Bangladesh? Whether it is immediate to the left, or whether it is third to the left, or second to the left, or fourth to the left, or second to the left. Here the option 3 and option 5 are equal. Therefore, we have only 4 options: delegate of Afghanistan and delegate of Bangladesh. So this is delegate of Afghanistan and this is the delegate of Bangladesh. Therefore, we can say that delegate of Afghanistan is third to the left with respect to delegate of Bangladesh. Therefore, option 2 is right. Now let's check the 99th question. Who says exactly between the delegate of Maldives and C? This is C and this is delegate of Maldives, and the answer is Nepal, or E, delegate of Nepal. It is 99th question's answer is the option 3, delegate of Nepal. Lastly, what is the position of delegate of Pakistan when counted anti-clockwise direction from C? If we count anti-clockwise direction from C, then delegate of Pakistan is fourth to the right of C. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, the correct answer is option 5, that is none of the above. Okay. So we have solved all the questions from sitting arrangement, from this sitting arrangement question. And if you want to know more about this type of questions and want to know more about the concepts of reasoning ability, then you can drop a message at WhatsApp in those two numbers, that is 9836793076 or 9748222756. And for further details, you can check our website also, which is www.saurashclasses.com. Okay, thank you very much.